Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's nice to see you again. And it's Joe coming back to you with another video. And today we're gonna go off strip and check out a sushi restaurant that I love to go to called Ono. And it's here on the east side of Las Vegas on the corner of Eastern and Flamingo Avenue. We're also gonna be meeting up with the fellows, but not the usual fellows that you are used to seeing actually. I got meeting up with some non-YouTube friends. The reason why I'm not meeting up with the usual VCC crew is because one, I know Ted does not like sushi. I mean, he was even afraid to taste honey. Natural honey. You can check out that video up here. You can see where he was afraid to taste honey. Also, I know Mark would probably try sushi, but Mark was live streaming all day today, driving around town. Alan loves sushi, I know he does, but unfortunately, I know you've seen Alan's videos and you've seen his house, his immaculate house. On weekends, Alan is stuck at home doing his chores. So, today I'll meet with some friends, some non-YouTube friends. I don't know why I'm saying non-YouTube friends, because it doesn't matter, friends are friends, no matter what. So, let's get right to the video. That's where you guys jump in, guys.
Hello, YouTube.
They're terrible. So like I said, I'm here with my non-YouTube friends, so they're a little weird being on camera right now, and I told my friend John, just to be natural, just be normal, but it's it's hard.
This is natural.
It's hard to do. Well, this is my boy, who I've known for a long time. This is my boy John, and he's joining me today for our lunch birthday celebration for sushi. John, how you doing today, brother?
Doing excellent. Thank you for asking.
Are you excited for sushi?
Exactly. Very excited for sushi. I got my chopsticks ready, got my appetite ready. Got my good friends Billy and Joe with me. Very excited about it.
And also my other friend, we got Billy Bravo. What's up, Billy? How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. I'm here with John and with Joe. About to eat some sushi, about to eat some baked mussels. Maybe a lemon roll.
Guys, that's as natural as he gets. This is
natural.
Yes, his real name is Billy Bravo. It's
William Bravo, but Billy Bravo, I go by
That's
Billy.
right. So we're about to enjoy some sushi, guys, and we'll let you know what we think about it. Thank you. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with some starters here, some appetizers before we start off with the sushi. And what I like to get a crab cucumber salad, some pork belly. I also ordered some pork belly tacos for the fellows because I think they'd like that. And yeah, so right now I got the crab cucumber salad. I like it. It's very, was it very vinegary, I guess, is that the taste? Very vinegary. Everything's very fresh. It's delicious, actually. I also love pork belly, and the pork belly here is fantastic. It has just the right amount of fat on it to give it that really good flavor. Not over fatty, and just the right amount of char also. It's super delicious.
Very good. Very good, Joe.
Billy likes it.
Billy does like it.
All right, guys. So the fellas, they really love baked green mussels, and they ordered a bunch of them. How many did you guys order altogether?
10 orders.
10 orders.
They ordered 10 orders of baked green mussels, and there's 3 in each order.
There you go.
So
Contact.
we're getting 30 pieces of baked green mussels that they got to finish. So.
And I got my Dr. Pepper.
Gotta put some work in.
They're definitely gonna be putting some work in. But right now I'm gonna try a mussel. I love the baked green mussels, not as much as they do, I guess, but super good here, super tasty.
I make sauce and I put green mussel in there. Yeah, well, they do the seafood sauce every year for Christmas. So, yeah, Chipina.
Did you guys like these?
Yeah.
They're good, huh?
No, we don't like this. We love this. It's delicious.
So basically right now, guys, this is pretty much my favorite sushi spot in town. It is off the strip. It's about a 10-minute drive away off the strip, 3.5 miles away. And this spot offers all-you-can-eat sushi. So for a price, I want to say it's about $20 for lunch and about $25 for dinner. You can pretty much get everything off the menu, all you can eat. But just be careful also. Order what you can eat only. Don't order too much because you will get charged for any extras, pieces of sushi or food that you don't finish. This is also one of those places that they don't give you a menu. You gotta scan the barcode right here, and it'll give you pull up a menu on your phone, and you can see everything on there. I'll probably put a link down below in the description area to the restaurant, to their website, so you can preview the menu beforehand if you do come here. They also have an extensive sake list here, and also draft beers here as well, Japanese draft beers. So John, I really didn't know that you liked green mussels as much as you do. You ordered 30 pieces.
Well,
You just killed about 18 of them right now, right?
well, yeah. So I thought it was 2 pieces per order. I didn't realize it was 3. So instead of looking like a fool, I just shut my mouth and ate them.
You still got 12 more pieces coming. How you feeling?
I feel good.
We haven't even got to sushi yet.
Oh, I know. I'm ready for this. I've been practicing.
Right on, right on. Bravo. How you
Yes.
feeling?
Amazing.
Camera types are all. I don't know. I'm waiting till like everything's filmed.
No, you're good. You're good. If I put it over there, you're good.
All right.
These guys are learning. They know not to eat anything until I shoot it. And they're just sitting over here just waiting for me to give them the okay.
Because he yells at us and berates us if we don't. So. No, I'm just kidding. He's a nice guy.
Stupid. But right now I'm having the spicy tuna hand roll. I love spicy tuna. They jam it packed with spicy tuna. There's a lot of spicy tuna in here.
Are you tempted to get a Dr. Pepper?
All right, guys. Well, we moved on to some rolls, and this is my absolute favorite roll here. It's called the Special Alaskan. I love it because it has this lemon slice on top. It also has some salmon on top, some imitation crab meat, and it looks like some cucumber in there. But this is my favorite roll just because the lemon really makes the flavor just pop off. It's really refreshing and really delicious. Let's try it. That's good. I wish it had a little bit more zest on the lemon, but still very good though.
I think I'm about to be done. I'm pretty full right now.
You're full?
We're not even halfway through the meal yet. These guys are getting full already.
No, don't say these guys.
Because
Don't say these guys.
because
I'm
the other
getting
half of the
full.
mussels came, and they could barely finish it, so I got to help them out.
No, I'm done with
I gotta-
the flavor
I
of the
gotta-
mussels.
No, I can finish the mussels. That's not some.
I know sushi slouch, okay?
Like I said earlier, guys, about ordering too much food. Just order what you can eat. And if you can eat more, then order some more. Don't order a whole bunch right off the bat.
I came from
busy.
I came from mussels.
I don't know what I said, but listen, this is what I mean. Hold on, time. What did I say?
What's going? I don't know.
I'm out. We're live, pal.
Listen,
I said order what you can, and then you look, and I looked over at you, and then you said something.
Oh, I said, yeah, order what you can unless it's busy. Then get your order in because it sucks to wait.
Guys, don't listen to John. Just order small pieces, a little bit, and then work your way up. Okay? Don't do that to these small mom and pop places.
I spiked this white tuna.
And nigiri is my most favoriteest types of sushi. Actually, I do like rolls, but I feel like most rolls are overpowered by sauces and other things. So I do love salmon and salmon belly, but unfortunately for lunch they don't offer salmon belly here. It's only a dinner option.
Super white tuna. Super white tuna, right?
But my favoriteest is the super white tuna. It's a really refreshing taste, just a real clean taste. You can almost use this and eat this and like clean your palate in between meals. That's just how good it tastes and refreshing it is. That's good, man. Tuna, regular tuna. And regular tuna.
You know what I like too? I like their fish to rice ratio.
It's good.
Not too like ricey where you
Yeah, it is
full
good.
fat.
Very evenly balanced.
John brought up a very good point. It's the fish to rice ratio. Did I say that right? Yeah. Fish to rice ratio in the nigiri, and it's very well balanced. Some places you get a bunch of rice and then a little piece of fish on top. Billy took me to a place one time and it was actually the opposite. It was really weird. This one, yeah,
You get one piece of rice with a whole piece of fish.
yeah. This one is very good. Right amount of rice and right amount of fish on top.
Or 90% fish, 10% rice.
We really care about our rice to fish ratio here, I guess. All right, guys. Another roll that I like is the orange blossom. Has cream cheese in it. Looks like a tempura crab stick and some salmon on top. And it looks like a little tamago, some egg batter around the side of it. Very tasty.
Fried on the inside too.
That's
Shrimp.
a tempura crab. Is that shrimp?
Yeah.
Tempura shrimp in the inside.
That's real good.
We also got another roll called Fire in the Hole. I've never had it before. The chef made it for us. Special. It looks like it has spicy tuna, spicy crab meat, a piece of tuna on top, a jalapeno slice, and also a little squirt of sriracha on top. John says it's hot, so let's see how it is.
It's good.
He says also it's good.
It's not too bad. It's spicy.
It's good. That's good.
I think it's good.
It's not spicy at all. It looks spicy, but it's not.
Yeah, it's not spicy. It's a little spicy, I think. We would have won that too.
There you go. They're creative with it. What do you think?
Pretty good creation.
You should be a sushi chef now. You can make your own rolls.
I'd rather just be a sushi eater.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm
Me
better
too.
at it.
All right, guys, we're rounding out our meal with some dessert. Also, if you order the all-you-can-eat, you can also order dessert with it also. And they offer different mochis, and I didn't really see the dessert, but like I said, the link for the menu is down below in the description. Check it out. I do like the honey toast that they serve here. And it's just a little mini honey toast with some ice cream and some whipped cream on top, and also a cherry. Pretty yummy stuff, guys. Little chocolate drizzle. Very good. All right, guys, we're pretty much done with our meal. John, what did you think about Ono Sushi?
It was pretty good.
Yeah?
I enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to when we come back.
Now, I know you're a big fan of albacore and the green baked mussels.
Yes.
What did you think about your 30 mussels?
They were very good.
Yeah?
If they weren't good, I wouldn't eat 30.
Okay, and what about the Cajun albacore?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was good.
How did you feel about those little toasties on top, those little sprinkles?
I pushed them to the side. Wasn't a huge fan.
You weren't feeling them, huh?
No, it's I'm more for the fish.
Okay, now would you come here again?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I like it.
We will come back.
Awesome. Billy Bravo, you just tried Ono Sushi for the first time. What did you think?
That was very good. I'm like with John. I like the green mussels. I thought they were the best mussels at a sushi restaurant I've ever
Oh,
had.
there we go. The best ever.
Best ever.
Yeah.
Cajun albacore, even though he doesn't like crumbles for some reason. I thought the Cajun albacore was off the hook. Thought the orange blossom roll was good. I liked all of the other fish as well, so that was good.
Dope,
All in
yeah.
all, Bravo, 2 thumbs up.
Well, guys, we just finished our meal here at Ono Sushi. Like I said, I enjoyed it. I love this place. And little did I know, guys, that this was the Best of Las Vegas 2020. This was the second runner-up. So this is like, I guess, like the second best of Las Vegas in sushi, guys. So, all right, guys. Well, everybody's feeling pretty full right now. We finished our meal. Everybody pretty much enjoyed it. They'd come back again. Guys, do yourself a favor. If you're on the east side of Vegas or you want to take a quick drive off the strip, like I said, it's like a 10-minute drive off the strip. Check out Ono Sushi. It's on Eastern and Flamingo. This place rocks, man. It's really good. Gonna do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this off-strip adventure. I know the fellas did like the sushi restaurant. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. So please come check out Ono Sushi. You won't be satisfied?
Disappointed.
You won't be disappointed.
Very good work.
So that's gonna do it, guys. My name is Joe, and you just watched Straight Outta Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I release future videos. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you.